Good morning. So I am up and ready, and I would just like to say thank you to all the new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I'm still in Jamaica, as you can see, still in my house. We have not left yet. So we are actually going to an event today. Just did my eyebrows, so my face is a little bit off. If anybody's wondering, I'm actually just starting to do my makeup. So yeah, we're going to an event, taking a tour of the hotel. So yeah, I'm gonna end up bringing you guys along for that, and I hope you guys actually enjoy the vlog. Yeah, don't mind the mess in the back. We're still cleaning up, you know, morning time, how it is. So I will end up bringing you guys along the journey, and hope you guys end up liking it. I will talk to you guys soon. I am all dressed, and this is my outfit of the day, and it's from Fashion Nova with just some white sandals and my black purse that my hubby buy me. So I'm all ready to go. Okay, let's get out of here.
You ready now, Shan?
Yeah, I'm good. We're here, and we just made it to the hotel. So I'll give you guys a tour of what it looks like so far. Oh. Hey, babe. What? There's a tour of the view of what it looks like. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is the Royalton Hotel. And look at that view. That is beautiful. Wow. Look at the pool. I love that. It's different, huh? Yeah? Oh, okay. Yeah. But it's nice, man. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. I just gotta hold it. We didn't go to Dream Weekend. No. No, I'm not into all of that. I guess it's just too much people. It's too hectic. Yeah, it's a little bit too hectic.
Yeah, but it's fun. It's fun still.
Yeah, everybody always tell me say it's fun, but I don't.
Girl, you don't look like you're having a picnic.
I need to get.
Great.
Thank you.
Yeah, you look
Thank
great.
you.
I have one. So if you want an extra one, I can give them to you, okay? Yes. You need another one, Maria?
Nope.
Alright, so, they're going to be opening in 12:30, so I'm just going to show you the hideaway section of the property until they're open 12:30, okay? Yeah. Three sections of the property. We have the needle, the hideaway, and then we have the family side.
Okay.
So once you're staying on the family side, you're not allowed on the adult section unless you're Diamond Club. The Diamond Club members are the members that are wearing the black bands.
The black bands. Okay.
Right. So it's only if you're a Diamond Club, you can definitely come over this side. But once you're staying on the adult section, you can go anywhere at all on the property. Okay. What do you guys think about the cabanas?
Cabana? They're nice.
Normally, it depends on the season you're here for. Normally, they're $55 for a day per person.
Oh.
Sometimes in high season, it can go up to $100 per day per person. Yes. You good?
This one booty for you. Put it.
And over here we have the swim out. So the swim out actually leads to the main pool, and the swim out also leads to the bar.
Okay. Because we got married 2 years ago at the Grand Palladium.
Oh.
Yes. And we loved it there. Loved it there. It was beautiful. I just feel like my skirt.
But Mariam, I'm not hearing my talking now. You have to talk to me now. You have to talk to me.
I'm the quiet one.
You understand?
Yeah.
I'm the quiet
You're a
one.
quiet one? Okay, alright. But you still have to go talk to me. Who is that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're so quick.
Yes, you know, over there we have Rio. The Rio and the Rio Palace.
That boat's just going I love those chairs there.
Yeah.
Yeah. One of those you said you wanted to get, babes.
I know.
Oh, it's like the infinity pool. So these are like swim up
Right.
your own. Okay.
Right.
So these would be like probably a little bit more pricier, right?
Right, definitely.
Okay. Yeah, see, you know, that is something I would go for. You get up in the morning, you just, you know, you don't even have to go too far.
Yes. Alright, so that's the end of the hideaway section, and now we're actually entering. When you know this is the retro side of the property, this is the new side.
The new side.
Yes. Even though if you go over there, you won't see them still. You're mainly on that side, but it's just sometimes you may see some of them come on the front, but it's rare they come on the front. They're more normally around there, to the back. Yes, definitely.
Lunch. Lunch restaurants.
You want
Here
something
is
like
the restaurants, and this is what it looks like. Looks well set up. Well, we're the first to enter so far, along with the little boppies them that are there. So this is nice, and this is our tour guide. Or tour guide, I don't remember her name. Oh, that's horrible. I'm so bad with names, guys. I gotta ask her. Also, and this is the place.
Is it inside or outside? Inside or outside?
I don't know, babes. Where do you want to sit? Anywhere is fine. Not a preference. So, these are the different sections. Oh, they have boots. Hmm?
You can have a seat.
Okay. I did some food, so we're going buffet style. Okay.
Let me know if you need help finding anything, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
I don't even know what I want. What are you having, babes?
I'm not sure.
Oh, so they have chicken, and
That's
they
raw?
have, yeah, but they make it in front of you, a bit depending on what you want. So you have bone, what is this called? Yeah, so it's curry goat, white rice, what is it, and sweet potato there.
More sweet potato.
And they have ackee and saltfish. So they have, oh no, not ackee and saltfish. They have a whole heap of stuff. So there's the different stuff. They tell you the ingredients. You want some goat? Can you dish me out some food? Oh, vegetables. I want some veggies. Can you get me some veggies on my plate? I need one of those things that to sit. Let's hit my phone. Give me some of this, the mixed vegetables here. No, this one here. Yeah. Bell peppers. It's sauteed. Okay. Okay. Can you get me a little bit of the goat? Spoonful of goat. So getting some nice curry goat in my plate. All right. Okay. Yeah. That, I'm sure they probably do. But give me some white rice. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, don't watch the plate. I am going for the kill. Don't lie. Oh, look, babe, I love those lights there. Those are nice, huh? Said I love those lights. I love their little setup. See, they have some food already prepared there, and then they have the different seasoning and stuff. which is nice.
Where?
I said, see, they have something already prepared, but they have, okay, come, that's the sweet vegetable course. Sure, yeah. Do they have pina colada?
Pina colada?
Yeah. Mario, what would you want to drink?
Huh?
They have blended fruit punch
Yeah,
or
that's-
something. I'm having a pina colada. Yeah. Thank you. And this is what is a couscous? Yeah, I'll take a little bit on this side.
Come on in.
Huh?
Hold it. Shut up.
Yes, Arena, run. I see you. Pardon? I don't want any of that. Cause that is not my thing. What is this here? They have French fries, look. So they have French fries. What is this that they have over here? They have the okra, market vegetables. Okay. I'm gonna go this way. No, I don't want any. Oh, that's a whole heap of fruits. They have the. You're gonna eat pizza? No. I should get some pasta. But then you make it. It'll take too long. They have pasta they're making. What do they have over here? I said they have pasta that they make. Excuse me. What is this? Chicken. Vegetable chicken. Pardon? Vegetable chicken. Vegetable chicken. Can I try a little bit? Can you take some? I'll try it for you since you don't like to try new things.
No, I don't. Hold it there.
Put it there.
Here?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. Thank you.
What's that?
Look at these hungry people. Oh, what is that over there?
Look at my street.
Wait, really, babe? Is that macaroni? Oh, babe, give me some macaroni pie. Macaroni pie. My plate is heavy. Y'all, don't laugh at me. Yes, the plate is heavy.
Come closer.
What you put in there for lot of mercy?
That's it?
A little bit more. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna test it out. Oh, ow, huh? Yeah, I think so.
Okay, no,
Yeah,
chicken.
it's there's chicken nuggets, fish fingers, macaroni, and cheese, pasta, and meatball sauce, and chicken fingers and French fries. I'll come back for dessert. Are you done? Huh? What? You don't want dessert? What? Okay, so we are just going back to our seats. Guys, my hair is a mess, so I'm just going back to my table to go sit down and eat. Oh, look like a hot mess. Don't watch the plate. That greedy one there is starting to eat already. Say hi, Jeanette. I guess I should ask if you wanted to be on camera. I could always block you out.
I'm
if you're okay
fine.
with
I'm
that.
fine. When's gonna look ugly?
Oh no, you look my big luscious plate. And that is my husband's foodie over there.
My plate looks so much more presentable.
Reached upstairs. Oh my gosh, guys, my straight hair blew out into an afro. Oh gosh. Well, so much for it. So we're just walking down the aisle. Going to.
Show you guys is actually the chairman's suite.
Okay.
But it's actually booked out today.
Oh.
Yeah.
Someone's getting a freak on. So is it key cards you guys use or like the watches?
We know we use these, but if you're here.
Oh, so this is what the room looks like. Oh, beautiful bathroom. This is it's the guest bathroom.
Yes.
Wow. Hey guys, it's beautiful. Oh, it kind of looked like our shower. I gotta sit down. Oh, look at that big shower head above. Go. And oh, I like that art on the wall. Ah, so that's the guest bathroom.
Yes, that's the guest bathroom.
Wow.
Yes.
Got a little
So
bar
this is
stool.
this is the luxury junior suite.
Okay.
Yes. It's a bit kind of empty today because this is our showroom today, so
Showroom,
another person's coming in and out.
Wow. It's really nice. Ooh. It's beautiful from up here. Look at that view. This looks so peaceful.
Yes.
So what side are we on now? Which side did we come from? Was it over there?
You're on the family side.
Okay, so this is the family side.
Right.
And then we were on the other side around that way?
We're actually downstairs having lunch.
Oh, okay.
So we went over that side. We're over there.
Oh, okay.
That little section. Yes.
Okay. Are you guys having entertainment later?
Right.
Oh, that's it.
Entertainment like 3 or 4 times a week.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. It's nice. So this is a two bedroom? One.
However, if you bring more than what this room can accommodate, all we will do is just open the door to another suite to accommodate where you're bringing them.
Oh, okay. So that's what is that? A joint suite then?
Right.
Okay.
That's the master over here.
This is the master. Is that a pull-out couch that you have there?
Well, what you saw them say. Yes, and this will be your main bathroom.
This is nice. Not bad. I love how they have the mirror. You know, people come and they get dressed and
Yes.
they're ready to go.
Yeah.
And this is the main bathroom, guys. Oh, look at this. Parting lot? Oh, yeah, be quiet. Oh, love this. Look at this. Shower is amazing. Look at this top, guys. Myself in it. Oh, then you got the bathroom, toilet separately. The vanity, I love it. Dual sinks. I love how it has the dual sinks.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that tub though. These light change up here at night?
I have no idea because I've never been here in the night.
No? Yeah, this is pretty. I was wondering. I think that would look really nice in the
I
nighttime.
think you have the switch for it to light up that.
Yeah.
Maybe.
No man, below.
What's this?
Next to the phone.
Oh, that's neat, eh?
Next to the phone. Yeah, the switch for
The switch there. I wonder if it changes light. The colors? Maybe, but maybe at night.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
And this is what, a queen size or king size?
This is like.
King.
King.
Yeah, king.
With a smaller one.
You can there. So being members with us,
Mhm.
what happened is that you also get your own personal butler, and any premium liquor of your choice that you drink. What type of liquor you guys drink?
Well,
Rum cream.
rum cream.
I'm down for part rum cream. Baileys.
And Bailey's, yeah, that Bailey's
Yes.
is my drink, yeah.
You know what you need to try? Try Bailey's with a shot of Hennessy.
Yeah, that's actually good.
Yeah, Bailey's with a shot of
Oh.
Hennessy. When I actually heard about it first, I'm like, Bailey's and Hennessy.
Yeah.
Until I tried it, it's my favorite now.
Oh, see it and
Yeah.
what you call it? Carrot juice, rum cream and carrot juice, really good.
For real?
Tried it the other day. It's a bomb.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I tried it one day.
it was the bomb.
So yeah, so I'm a Hennessy girl. I love Ciroc. Also, it has to be the peach one. When it
Yeah.
comes to the Hennessy, it has to be the white one or the black bottle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Goose was my thing, vodka.
Grey Goose.
Yeah, I'm a
I'm
vodka
gonna
girl.
really fool and get Grey Goose.
And it's a smooth drink. Grey Goose is so nice. See, the thing is, you drink and not
It's a
know.
creeper.
That's the thing about it.
It's a creeper.
So you don't know when to stop drinking.
See it, man? See it? Alright. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you guys a briefing of how the program actually works, alright?
Okay.
So we're going to go in here.
That's needed.
And those sections only that side we're coming from.
Yeah.
And we have Starfish, which is family orientated as well. And we also have a Royalton, the mother and luxury all inclusive. That's the family side of the property. Yes, and also Memories, which is family orientated as well. So this is a sneak peek of owner's ring. How do you book your package? Travel agent or .com?
Sometime travel agent, sometime we book it ourselves, and yeah.
Okay. Say for instance, you go to the travel agent, you get the package for $300, and you come to our website and you see for $400, $500, $600. All you have to do is just send us the link or the screenshot to that price that you found, and what we will do, we'll discount 30% off that $300 that you found.
Okay.
Definitely.
So you see how the regular price is.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah,
We just ended up buying our first package, and we are bursting out the Disney with some champagne. Wait, Mr. Williams, my phone.
yeah.
Embarrassing.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What's it? You make it know. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, I didn't even realize the lights come up there. Cheers.
No, what you want, bro?
What do you mean, no?
What?
Congratulations, your commission.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you. So I'm looking like a hot mess, and we just finished, and we bought ourselves a package. Yay!
No.
Look at all the new tourists that are coming. So yes, we are now members of the Travel Smart Club VIP. So all we're doing now, we're actually heading back into town, and yeah, that's probably about it for the vlog. Good morning. So we are actually on our way, getting ready to go to the beach. So
I fit on it up on the weekends.
and
Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me what you're drinking.
You're not eating my banana. Give me my banana. So yeah, getting ready for a party.